Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about couch cushions just like these ones right here that keep slipping forward. I'll be going over some easy fixes with a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have these couch cushions on my old couch. We actually got new couches, so I took the old ones, I put them in the garage, not because I'm going to sit on a couch in the garage, although that's totally fine, but essentially because I'm going to be selling these couches or just giving them away. I haven't decided yet, but I wanted to do some videos with them first. So essentially, I'll be going over 4 easy fixes for your couch cushions if they continue to slip forward. And I do apologize about the lighting. It might go on and off because there's a little bit of a motion sensor on one of the lights, so it might trigger on or off depending on where I am in the garage. So essentially, there are 4 things. The first one, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet, and I'll come into the camera's frame in just a moment. The first one, the first solution or fix, I should say, is to use Velcro strips on the undersides of the cushions. So essentially, as you can see right here, you have the cushions over here, and if they continue to slip forward, what you can do is underneath the cushion, so under this cushion over here, we're going to imagine this is the underside of the cushion, you could put Velcro strips on the underside, even just 4 of them, or 5 or 6 or 8. It kind of depends on what you want and how stuck you want the cushions to be. Sorry, I have an Allen wrench in my hand. I was just doing some work on the other side of the garage, so just so it's clear, this is just like an Allen key, like an Allen torque driver, whatever you want to call it, just so you understand why I'm holding this. And then obviously the other part of the Velcro strips will go underneath the cushion itself, okay? So like on the underside of the couch. So some of the Velcro will go on the cushions, and the other part of the Velcro will go sort of on the underside of the couch itself, and that will hold, the Velcro will hold the cushion onto the underside of the couch, which is a fantastic solution. There's the light again, I apologize. It's a fantastic solution, and that's probably the easiest thing to do because you can get adhesive Velcro strips that sort of just stick in place, okay? If that doesn't help you out, you want something that's even easier, but a little bit less permanent, it's more of a temporary solution, you can try fix number 2, which is to use a rubber carpet underpad underneath the couch. So essentially, you know those little, it looks like a grid and it's rubber, and you put them underneath the carpet. It's like a carpet anti-slip pad. And essentially, they prevent the carpet from sliding around. You can use the same thing underneath the cushion. So what you're gonna do is lift up the cushion, put your anti-slip pad underneath, and it should do a really good job at preventing the cushion from sliding forward. It won't keep it in place as much as the Velcro would, but it would keep it in place pretty decently. And it's really, really easy, and it's super temporary as well. So, you know, you can always use this in a temporary situation to help you out, okay? If that doesn't help you out, you're gonna move on to fix number 3. Or solution number 3, which is to sew on sort of interlockable hoops. So think along the lines of like a carabiner, which is like that little hoop that has like a lever that goes in and out. I know my finger's not doing it justice. I don't have a carabiner. I have one somewhere in the garage, but I don't have one accessible. But just think about, you know, a sort of like a hook that can open and close. Obviously, you're sitting on it, so you want to use something that is like, you know, that's not going to like damage the cushions or not going to like potentially run the risk of like, scratching someone or anything like that. So just think along the lines of using something like a carabiner where you can sew one end or one hook on the cushion and then one loop, I should say loop, not hook, but one loop on the cushion and then one loop on the underside of the couch. And that will truly prevent the cushion from slipping forward. Your cushion will not slip forward at all if you try that out, but it is a more permanent solution and obviously it requires you sewing. So it's going to take a little bit of extra knowledge and skill with regards to that. Okay, last but not least, the 4th one is probably the least desirable option in most cases, unless you don't like the look of your couch. The 4th solution is going to be to put on a couch cover. So essentially, you're going to get a couch cover and put on a couch cover on your entire couch. And a couch cover is going to keep everything in place. Number 1, it will protect your material anyways, but number 2, it's going to keep the cushions in place so that they're not going to be able to slide anywhere. But it does completely change the look of your couch, which if you don't like the look of your couch, you can go for that. It's up to you. We were considering getting a couch cover for, there's another part of the couch over here, just so it's clear. But we were considering getting a couch cover for this, but essentially, you know, after so many years, we have 4 young kids, so this couch just got, got constantly jumped on and stuff like that, to be honest with you. But essentially, it was just sagging in too much, and it wasn't big enough. This, along the other side, it just wasn't big enough. We outgrew the couch, so we got a new couch that is about, I think it's about 1.5 feet longer on this side, and then the other part of the sectional is about 2 feet longer. So, we considered a couch cover, because these were slipping forward like crazy. But yeah, we just ended up getting a new couch because of the given situation that it wasn't big enough. But a couch cover is definitely a good option. And honestly, my nonna used one for so many years. She, like, literally, when she took the couch cover off, the couch was in mint condition. So you can really preserve the condition of your couch by using a couch cover. So that's essentially it. That's what to do sort of if your couch cushions keep slipping forward. Some easy fixes in a step-by-step tutorial showing you sort of how you can fix the problem in a couple of simple steps. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.